Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can let people in from waiting room on Zoom. So once at the Zoom call, just open the participant section over here. As you can see, the people that are currently at the waiting room will be displayed at the respective section or respective field over here, and all that you need to do in order for let those people in into the Zoom meeting itself, and to remove them from waiting room, just tap on the admit button, blue button over here, like so. And after that, they will successfully join the meeting itself. Or should I rather say, they will be able to successfully rejoin the meeting, as you can see. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.